Everyone needs a good vanilla cupcake recipe which forms the base for many other cupcakes that you can create, and today let's make one such recipe. We start with blooming the yogurt and baking soda. Mix until it is frothy. Can you note the bubbles? Yeah, that's the one. Now set this aside. In a separate bowl, sieve together the dry ingredients, which includes maida, that is all-purpose flour, corn flour, baking powder and salt. Onto a mixing bowl, let's beat together the oil and sugar. Now sugar doesn't dissolve in fat, so it would be grainy like this, but it's fine. When you add yogurt, it will come together beautifully into a homogeneous mixture. Time to bring the cupcake batter together. Start by alternating between the dry and wet ingredients. So we add a third of dry ingredients and mix it. Add half of the measured milk. Repeat this until you form a smooth, lump-free cupcake batter like this. Now, like always, I forgot to add the vanilla extract, the main ingredient itself, so I'm adding it now, but you do not be like me and add it along with the yogurt. Again, the entire flavor of the cupcake depends on the type of vanilla you use, so make sure it's a good quality one. I will leave the link of the one that I am using in the description box below. Now that the batter is ready, it is time for another important trick, which is to fill the batter into these cupcake liners. How much to fill? In my opinion, filling it to half of the liner capacity yields a flat cupcake, and if you prefer a dome-shaped cupcake, then go up to 1/3 of the liner capacity. This recipe yields 12 cupcakes when filled to the half mark. I am using an ice cream scoop to fill an even amount of batter. A ladle or a spoon can also be used to do the job. Once filled, bake them in a preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius for 14 to 20 minutes or until a skewer inserted in the center comes out clean or with few crumbs but not with wet batter. Now that's a perfect batch of cupcakes there, isn't it? Allow it to cool in the pan itself for another 3 minutes and then transfer onto a wire rack to cool completely. I am using strawberry frosting to frost the cupcakes, the recipe for which is coming up next on the channel. So do consider subscribing if it sounds interesting to you so that you do not miss the recipe that's been uploaded. And here is the texture of the cupcakes from within. This is a recipe that is a moist cupcake owing to the oil used along with the yogurt. I'll see you soon in my next one. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.